Says who?
Me, I only passed it once.
Easy.
Out of like the 3 attempts, so it's like a 1 in 3 chance. Plus like the 1 in 10.
Stars can't shine without darkness.
Did you know that? Stars can't shine without darkness.
Nah, it's not really that true though. Because if the star is brighter than the light, it'll be shining.
Darkness comes dark without the stars. Exactly.
The darkness can't be seen as dark without there being light. It's just like a fair is foul and foul is fair.
I'm not in the mood to learn Macbeth after doing it for the past.
Imagine doing that. I've just been watching Christmas Carol, to be honest. I've either been watching a movie,
Okay.
I've either been watching a movie, or I've had a supply teacher who doesn't know what school is, and just sits there and
I did it as a second drop.
Oh, no way.
Oh, it's my chance to just fuck up that stack stream.
Bro, better have to.
You will.
Now watch me die here. You know the bit where it just ends as
Oh, yeah. Imagine if you have to do that, yeah.
It's like right here.
Never underestimate the
Oh, no way. No, no, no. Don't go.
Okay, it's 10 seconds. I got this.
You got this. You got it.
stars can't shine.
Oh. Good chance.
I did it.
Oh, no way.
And that was you like, what, 10 minutes ago saying it was impossible?
I didn't. Fair enough.
It's how